Let's face it, grocery shopping is one of the biggest expenses for most households. But what if I told you that you could save hundreds of dollars every month just by changing how you shop? Let's dive into 20 powerful and simple tips to help you save money every time you buy groceries. Tip 1. Plan before you shop. Before you step foot in a grocery store, have a plan. Check your fridge, freezer, and pantry to see what you already have. Then, create a meal plan for the week using those ingredients. This avoids food waste and ensures you're not buying what you don't need. Tip 2. Stick to a grocery list. Impulse buying is the enemy of your wallet. Write a grocery list based on your meal plan and stick to it. No list, you're likely to spend 20 to 30% more. Tip 3. Use cash or debit only. Leave the credit card at home. When you pay with cash or debit, you're more aware of how much you're spending. Set a grocery budget and stick to it. Tip 4. Buy generic brands. Skip the big-name labels. Generic or store brands are often just as good and can cost 20 to 40% less. You're paying more for the name, not the product. Tip 5. Use grocery apps and loyalty cards. Download store apps or use rewards programs. Many stores offer digital coupons, cashback, and exclusive discounts. Apps like Ibotta, Rakuten, or Fetch Rewards can put money back in your pocket. Tip 6. Shop on the right day. Did you know some days are cheaper than others? Stores often restock and discount items midweek. Tuesday or Wednesday is often best. Early mornings are also great for finding markdowns. Tip 7. Buy seasonal and local produce. Fruits and vegetables that are in season are cheaper and fresher. Buying local means fewer shipping costs and better prices. Tip 8. Watch the unit price. Don't just look at the total price. Check the unit price, how much you're paying per ounce or gram. Bigger packages aren't always cheaper. Tip 9. Don't shop hungry. It sounds silly, but it works. Shopping on an empty stomach leads to more impulse buys, especially snacks or treats you wouldn't normally buy. Tip 10. Avoid pre-cut or packaged foods. Pre-washed salad, sliced fruit, or chopped veggies may save time, but they're much more expensive. Buy whole produce and cut it yourself. It's fresher and cheaper. Tip 11. Buy in bulk smartly. Buying in bulk can save you money, but only if you'll actually use what you buy. Bulk rice, beans, or pasta equals great. Bulk perishable items equals wasteful unless you freeze or share. Tip 12. Freeze what you don't eat. Speaking of freezing, don't let food go bad. Freeze leftovers, bread, meats, and even some dairy products before they expire. Tip 13. Shop alone if possible. Kids or partners can unintentionally add extras to your cart. Shopping alone helps you focus and stick to your list. Tip 14. Try meatless meals once or twice a week. Meat is usually one of the most expensive items. Try meatless Mondays. Beans, lentils, or eggs are much cheaper and still filling. Tip 15. Use a calculator while shopping. Track your total while you shop. Use your phone's calculator or a grocery store scanner to avoid surprise totals at checkout. Tip 16. Avoid eye-level products. Stores place the most expensive products at eye level. Look on the top or bottom shelves for better deals. Tip 17. Limit packaged snacks and sweets. Snacks and sweets are tasty but pricey. Try making simple snacks at home like popcorn or granola to save big. Tip 18. Take advantage of clearance sections. Many stores have discount racks for dairy, meat, or bakery items. These are still good to eat. Just use or freeze them quickly. Tip 19. Use leftovers creatively. Get creative with what's left in your fridge. Last night's veggies? Turn them into soup, stir fry, or a wrap. This reduces waste and saves money. Tip 20. Track your grocery spending weekly. Keep a record of what you spend and what you save. You'll start to notice patterns and can adjust your budget accordingly. Saving money on groceries doesn't mean sacrificing good food or fun meals. It's all about being intentional, planning smart, and avoiding unnecessary spending. Even implementing just a few of these tips can help you save $100 or more per month. Like these tips? Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Wiki, and hit the bell so you never miss a money-saving episode. Got your own grocery hacks? Share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear them. Thanks for watching, and remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned.